Hi, YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well and you are having a wonderful time. So, guys, today's video is gonna be about one and only the most demanding pre-workout, that is blood lock. Guys, to be very honest, market में काफी pre-workouts आते हैं and we keep on finding which one is the best. Because बॉडी बिल्डिंग में या फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में इतनी डिमांड्स है प्री वर्कआउट्स की. रीजन बीइंग that it helps you to achieve your goals. Okay, so if you are serious about your fitness, obviously using pre-workouts in moderation. While I repeat the word moderation इसलिए कह रहा हूं कि we should be used to using pre-workout, but that too depending upon our capacity. Capacity कैसे डिटरमिन होती है? ऐसा नहीं कि आपके कोई कॉलीग है, आपके कोई फ्रेंड है या आपके जिम पार्टनर है, वो अपनी स्ट्रेंथ के हिसाब से प्री वर्कआउट ले रहे हैं और आपने भी यूज करना शुरू कर लिया. You should be using it, but start from very minor dose and see how it adapts your body. तो आ जाते हैं वापस हमारे टॉपिक पे, ब्लड लॉक प्री वर्कआउट के बारे में. गाइस, इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं. हालांकि इसमें सारा कुछ डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं दिया हुआ है कि क्या क्या इसके अंदर किस तरीके से कितना प्रपोर्शन में है, लेकिन जितना भी दिया हुआ है, आई रेड अबाउट इट and I was wondering why people are demanding this pre-workout. But upon reading and after talking with certain people who have used it, I have personally not used it, but I know what it is. It is actually surpassing or overshadowing many pre-workouts into the market right now. Reason being, तो इसे मैं डिवाइड करूंगा दो कंपोनेंट्स में. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है that is strength lock. Strength lock के कंपोनेंट्स जो हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिट्रुलिन. अब सिट्रुलिन जो है, that is actually we all know it's kind of amino acid which is improving your blood flow. Ultimately आपकी vascularity बढ़ाता है and it helps your heart health. Simultaneously अगर blood flow बढ़ता है तो for example जिसमें erectile dysfunction है, okay, and maybe those who are on cycles or PEDs, so this will actually help you to overcome that problem. So it is working in a very good way. Secondly, creatine magna power मतलब creatine and combination of magnesium, creatine monohydrate with combination of magnesium becomes creatine magna power. So guys, magnesium is one of the best supplements on the earth which should be taken by most of the people, and trust me, it works wonder for people with anxiety disorders, for people with cognitive disorders, या people with brain health. So if you want really good focus and performance, creatine, obviously number of studies और researchers ने बताया है, creatine is a wonderful supplement which almost beat male or female should be using it. अब आ जाते हैं इसका जो beta alanine, as we know, it is a non-amino acid profile, but beta alanine, to be very honest, जिनको itching से issue है, so keep away from this thing, guys, because beta alanine is definitely going to give you a deep rush in your body, और deep rush मिलेगी तो obviously body में itching होगा, and because of that you might feel itching unless you sweat or once you start sweating. So if you are really a good workout enthusiast, then only go for this thing because it contains very high beta alanine. अब बात करते हैं agmatine HCl, which is a derived form of arginine. Arginine क्या करता है? Again, it improves your blood flow in the body, which is good for your heart health. आपके vessels को blood flow करने में help करता है, and studies have shown that it reduces the bad cholesterol from the body. So guys, this supplement अगर strength की बात करते हैं तो strength देने में तो I think it is wonderful, but start only from half scoop, not even from half scoop, 1/4 scoop will do, because already ये 60 servings का पैकेट है, मतलब बॉक्स है. अब मैं आता हूं इसका दूसरा जो कंपोनेंट है, स्टिम लॉक की बात करें तो स्टिमुलेंट्स कौन से हैं? तो गाइस, कैफीन तो होना ही था, बिकॉज प्री वर्कआउट विदाउट कैफीन इट हार्डली वर्क्स. सो अगर आप रात में या शाम में वर्कआउट करते हैं तो अवॉइड इट, बिकॉज आपको इसको लेने के बाद 6 से 12 घंटे तक नींद नहीं आएगी. सो कैफीन भी है वो, लेकिन कैफीन है एनी ड्राउस कैफीन. दैट मीन्स कैफीन में से भी जो वाटर निकाल के रफ कैफीन जो बोलते हैं, ये वो कैफीन है. उसके अंदर ग्रेप एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड कोकोआ बीन्स और DMAA, राइट, ये सारे जो चीजें हैं विच इज गुड फॉर योर हार्ट हेल्थ. बट कैफीन और DMAA जब मिलता है तो इट एक्चुअली मेक्स यू लिटिल एंशियस, ये एक साइड इफेक्ट है. सो पीपल विथ एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर और डिप्रेशन डिसऑर्डर, avoid this pre-workout. But people who are mentally fit, who have got good stamina, good strength and good cognitive functions, because pre-workout इस तरीके से बनाया गया है कि it gives you a very drastic pumps while you are using your pre-workout. It gives you the pumps which makes you feel like a monster in the gym. Okay, you become a workout enthusiast and it takes you to the next level. So guys, मेरी end से I recommend this pre-workout only for those people who have control and capacity on their body, because so far I have seen that this pre-workout is really wonderful for the massive bodybuilders. और इसमें ऐसे components भी हैं जो fat भी burn करता है और आपको drastically pump इतना देगा कि you will feel to the next section. Anyways, अगर आपको रिव्यू अच्छा लगा है तो don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And shall you have any queries, write back to us. We will revert back to you with whatever best in our capacity. Till then, I'm saying goodbye. Have a wonderful day.